Curia is dependable scientific expertise, an essential partner that thrives on collaboration, a dedicated and trusted ally. Curia is all of us. Together, we leverage over 30 years of CDMO experience and offer the perfect blend of global reach and local expertise. Our personalized approach addresses the unique needs of academia and biopharmaceutical companies, big and small. Today, we are strengthening our dedication to delivering comprehensive services and solutions to the biopharma industry, covering small molecules, generic APIs, and biologics. Curia Small Molecules provides strategic solutions for drug substance discovery, development, and manufacturing, and is a pioneer in high-profile therapeutic areas. Curia Generic APIs sets the global standard for the timely delivery of both generic and commercial APIs with quality and safety assured. And we are proud to introduce Curia Biologics, our comprehensive portfolio of solutions from drug discovery to GMP manufacturing. Curia's proven biologics expertise places us at the forefront of innovation. Navigating the complex biopharmaceutical drug discovery, development and manufacturing process is what Curia does best. Our unwavering commitment, depth of scientific expertise and worldwide resources ensure products move to market with speed and predictability. From curiosity to cure, we are Curia, a dedicated ally.